Hello guys, welcome back to TechCasi. After a long time we are here. So today we are going to present a launch that is ready to the ISRO agency, which is an Indian agency. So stay tuned, and we are left, the time that is left, as you can see on the screen, is approximately about 1.5 hours. And if you want more missions to be uploaded on this channel, so please subscribe us. And today we are going to do a technical analysis of this mission, why this mission is used, and in which areas it will going to be applied. So stay tuned. So guys, if you are watching our channel, please subscribe us. 100. This is the ISRO 101 mission, which will carry the Earth Observation Satellite into SSP orbit. Subsequent to satellite separation, orbit change thrusters will be used to reduce the orbit altitude of the span PS4 stage to reduce its life in orbit. Followed by stage passivation, launch is planned from the first launch pad FLP, STC, and SHR. So coming to some specific of this operation, this is our repeat satellite EOS-04, designed with the mission objective to ensuring remote sensing data for the user community engaged in the operational applications and to improve the frequency of observation. The spacecraft is configured by ISRO's RISAT-1 heritage bus with most of the functional requirement of the SAR payload, and the bus platform system derived from the earlier ISRO missions. The mission carries a Synthetic Aperture Radar payload capable of providing images for various Earth observation applications under all weather conditions. So coming to some more specifics of this rocket, PSLV-C61 is configured in its XLR version today, standing 44.5 meters tall and weighing about 321 tons at liftoff. This will be the 63rd flight of the PSLV and marks another milestone in ISRO's remarkable journey in space exploration. So talking about the objective of this mission, this satellite will provide high resolution all-weather day and night imaging capabilities, and as you know, it's crucial for agriculture, disaster management, and the satellite has also installed some radars to control the national security. So coming to some more specifics, this satellite includes three more satellites. The first one is a CubeSat, and the second one is Leap 1, possibly a technology or a student built payload. The third one is Munal, a small satellite for Earth observation or research. Fourth one is phonics, likely a nanosatellite with an experimental payload. And fifth one is SOA, one international satellite or commercial payload, I think so. And sixth one is an INS, if included. It's not sure, but it's an Indian developed nanosatellite, possibly continuing the INS series. So as you can see guys, 1 hour left in the ISRO's 101 launch related to PSLV-C61. So today is 18th May 2025. If you are watching me from India or some other places, please write in the comment section, and we will try to respond you related to your questions. So for example, if you don't understand what is PSLV, basically it's an Indian's most trusted rocket that ISRO has been used in many successful missions to send satellites into the space. It's known for being very reliable, and it's used to launch both Indian and international satellites. So what's the mission today? The rocket is carrying a big satellite called E0, sorry E EOS-09, also known as Risat 1B, along with it 5 or 6 small satellites, as I have commented before, from students and other countries are going also up. So good luck for ISRO. 1 hour left, and if you have more questions related to this launch, please write us in the comment section. We are live. Uh, so the main objective to cover the satellite is this satellite can take sharp pictures of the Earth even when it's cloudy, rainy, or dark, day or night, in any weather. So someone has asked, where is the satellite going? All the satellites will be placed into a sun synchronous orbit about 529 kilometers above the Earth. This orbit allows them to pass over the same area of Earth at the same time every day, and it's perfect for regular monitoring about for the national borders and security. And it will also watch over time water levels, soil and environment, tracks floods and disaster, and also helps to capture this data and helps in AI to generate different and take different decisions. And as everybody knows, the AI is developing in these days very fast. So this data also allows us to maintain and generate systems that mm, allows people to take good decisions related to their security and um, their water and soil. No. So there's someone who has also asked, what are the small satellites? These are the lightweight satellites. Some satellites are made by universities, others are from private or foreign agencies, used for experiment communication and testing new space technologies. As I've commented before, that this data is really good to uh, uh, for the AI to make precise decisions related to for the country, especially. So talking more about ISRO's legacy, this mission reminds us how far ISRO has come from launching small rockets in the 1960s to becoming a global player in space exploration. PSLV itself has launched satellites over 30 countries. So the rocket is known as the workhorse of ISRO, as I'm looking in the Google. It has now flown over 60 times and rarely fails. Um, it has a good reputation that few agencies in the world can match, and really impressive. It has great data related to how the launches work in the space. So the interesting part of this mission, as I've talked before, that it gives really beautiful images of the Earth in real time, and pretty impressive that it can also see through clouds the Earth, and it's very great, and it's an impressive approach. You can also, uh, for example, if there's a smoke or darkness, the E0S systems superpower can also see through the darkness, and that means even during cyclone or blackouts at night, it can still capture images of Earth below. So that's a very impressive approach. So this mission isn't just science; it's also a business. Small satellites on a broad are often from universities or private companies. India is becoming, as you know, India is becoming a global hub for low cost and high quality space missions. Also talking about the technology sector. So this mission isn't. Also talking about the technology that India is also growing globally in this industry also. As you know, the CEO of Google is Sundar Pichai, and I'm talking about something which is not related to this mission, but yes, India is growing, and it's a very growing industry as related to space and technology. So one of the most responsible part of this mission is what happens after the launch. No, so ISRO is planning to lower and shut down the rocket's leftover stage to reduce space debris. That's a smart and sustainable spaceflight approach. So finally, if you're watching this live from India or anywhere in the world, let us know in the chat what excites you the most about the space, and is it just the rocket science, the exploration, or just the sheer beauty of the liftoff? As you can see on the countdown, 43 minutes left for the takeoff, and it's a very mm, it's a great day for India also, and we are live here to comment more about this mission. And if you're watching our channel, please subscribe us, because we try to bring the new missions globally in space, and this channel is specialized in basically giving more information before the takeoff of the the space missions. As I've commented before, that this is a global chance for India to change the the
commentator Sri Vikas Varnkar, who will be giving the commentary in Hindi. The launch is being telecast live from the Mission Control Center at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota in India. The launch base and the range is gearing for the launch of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission with a countdown lasting 22 hours. The intent of today's launch is to place the EOS-09 satellite weighing 1700 kilograms at 597 kilometers altitude with an inclination of 97.51 degrees. It will be a polar sun-synchronous orbit. The launch is scheduled to take place today, that is the 18th of May 2025 at 5:59 hours Indian Standard Time from the first launch pad. Up next, we will bring to you the integration video of this mission.
Roger.
On your screens, you are watching the flagging off of the nozzle end segment of PSLV-C61. It is being brought from the preparation building to the PSLV integration facilities.
जी हाँ, यह नवनिर्मित PSLV इंटीग्रेशन फैसिलिटी पिफ पर नोजल एंड सेगमेंट यह प्रथम खंड है प्रथम चरण का, जिसे लॉन्च पेडेस्टल के ऊपर रखा गया है.
So as you can see,
Segments. Nozzle end segment, thereafter the middle segments, 3 in number, topped by the head end segment.
T-minus 25 minutes.
बहुत ही धैर्य के साथ सुरक्षा तथा गुणवत्ता का ध्यान रखते हुए यह पूरा कार्य संपन्न किया जाता है. इसमें 3 मिडिल सेगमेंट लगे होते हैं. प्रथम चरण में हर एक करीब और अंत में सबसे ऊपर यह इग्नाइटर जो कि इस कोर बूस्टर को प्रज्वलित करता है.
Viewers are able to see the assembly of the igniter for the first stage motor. These are the visuals of the strap-on.
यह PSLV एक्सेल संस्करण का प्रमोचक यान है. इसमें 6 स्ट्रैप-ऑन बूस्टर संलग्न होंगे. इसमें से यह पहला स्ट्रैप-ऑन बूस्टर लाया जा रहा है. हर एक स्ट्रैप-ऑन बूस्टर 12 टन नोदक वाला है.
Carefully, each strap-on is tilted, brought to vertical, and then slowly lowered for its assembly to the core motor.
Roger.
बहुत ही सावधानी पूर्वक ऐसे 6 स्ट्रैप-ऑन बूस्टर को कोर बूस्टर के साथ संलग्न कर दिया गया है. और अब आपके सामने है यह द्वितीय चरण PSLV का L40 स्टेज.
This is the second stage of PSLV called the PS2. It is powered by Vikas engine. It is being slowly and carefully lowered into the interstage on top of the first stage of PSLV.
द्वितीय चरण के समायोजन के पश्चात इसे पिफ फैसिलिटी से ले जाकर फर्स्ट लॉन्च पैड MST तक लाया गया है. यह दूरी करीबन 1.5 किलोमीटर की होती है.
The realization of PIF has transformed the first launch pad to integrate transfer and launch philosophy. On your screens now is the PS3 and PS4 moduling taking place in its subsystem preparation facility.
यह तृतीय चरण तथा चतुर्थ चरण को समाकलित कर लॉन्च पैड लाया गया है. प्रथम प्रमोचन मंच पर लाकर इसे भी यान के साथ समाकलित कर दिया गया.
All radar signals are normal. Roger.
The 4 stages having been assembled, this is the visual from the clean room of the satellite preparation facility where you can see the EOS
तैयार हो चुका है PSLV C61 अपने मिशन जिसमें EOS-9 उपग्रह भूप्रेक्षण उपग्रह को 529 किलोमीटर की सूर्य तुल्यकाली ध्रुवीय कक्षा में 97.515 के झुकाव के साथ स्थापित किया जाना है। इस उपग्रह का कुल भार 1700 किलोग्राम है। EOS-9 का प्रक्षेपण भारत के विकसित होते उपग्रह के नक्षत्र में एक और परिसंपत्ति की तरह जुड़ने जा रहा है। यह उपग्रह भारत
So as you can see, the scientists of ISRO are there, and I think so before they are going to do a media talk in their where they are going to discuss about in what the mission consists. But if they don't tell, you can watch this live from start, and you will find some interesting facts about this mission, in what is this mission related about, and what are the stages of this mission, and how ISRO is trying to reduce the space debris. And in this mission they have also looked after to make they have taken some steps to make the space clean after the launch is successfully launched. But the special fact over here is that I want to comment on is the small satellites that ISRO is taking with in this rocket, and the main objective of this mission is to cover basically the national security plans, and take high resolution images of the Earth, whether it's dark or there's a smoke or cyclone. This doesn't depend. There are some satellites in this mission that can take images without if there are clouds, they can also take images. That's what I want to share with you. And if you have any question, and if anyone is watching from India or some other countries, please like us or subscribe, and also share this stream with your friends. If you don't understand Hindi, because I think that ISRO is talking everything, it's the translation is in Hindi, so you can just pass this or share this link to your friends and colleagues if you want more details about this mission. And in the final step, I will also there are the scientists of ISRO just planning to take off the satellite, and yes, it's a very special day for India, and congratulations India to make this happen. And I think so we also have a news that PM Modi will also arrive in this mission to see this mission in live, so stay tuned. And we are also going to discuss about in after some minutes we are going to discuss about the future step that ISRO is going to take in the next upcoming days. So stay tuned. And as you can see, there are the scientists of ISRO talking with each other, and the climate of the meeting room is really they are really happy. And yes, it's a proud moment for India, for their country, and I hope India is doing well. So stay tuned, and if you want to share this broad, please share with your friends and family. If somebody doesn't know about ISRO, ISRO is a space organization and research organization of India. And yes, as you can see, there are cameramen taking photos, and this. I think so that the people, they have also people who have visited from other countries. And yes, you can see the scientists are very proud, and they are working on their computer. I think so they are preparing for the next steps to the mission. And there is the ISRO's rocket, and I think that this is the chief of the operational staff. So now I'm going to open the broad voice, so if you want to hear it more. Thank you.
मिशन निदेशक को दी.
For supporting PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission. Mission Director Roger.
TC, data loggers are on it, SHAR-1 and SHAR-2 stations.
Roger. Good morning, everybody. This is Mission Director. Mission Readiness Review and Launch Authorization Board have already given clearance for proceeding with the countdown and launch of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission. All operations in the countdown sequence till automatic launch sequence have been completed satisfactorily. Based on the clearance obtained from launch vehicle, spacecraft, range and distract network stations and prevailing favorable weather conditions, Mission Director hereby authorizes to initiate launch operation sequence for the launch of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission at 5:59 hours IST today, that is the 18th of May 2025.
All stations to note, Mission Director has given authorization for the launch of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission.
Based on the authorization from Mission Director, Vehicle Director hereby authorizes to initiate the automatic launch sequence for the launch of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission at 5 hours 59 minutes IST today, that's 18th May 2025.
T minus 15 minutes.
अभी आपने
ऑटोमेटिक
देखा
लॉन्च सीक्वेंस इनिशिएटेड फॉर
मिशन
PSLV-C61
निदेशक ने इस
EOS-09 मिशन
प्रमोशन की अनुमति दे दी है. PSLV-C61 EOS-09 के प्रमोशन की अनुमति प्राप्त होते ही यान निदेशक ने ऑटोमेटिक लॉन्च सीक्वेंस चालू करने का अनुमोदन दे दिया है. इसके पश्चात ऑटोमेटिक लॉन्च सीक्वेंस शुरू हो चुका है. ऑटोमेटिक लॉन्च सीक्वेंस यानी अब मिशन कंप्यूटर्स की मदद से सारी प्रक्रिया, गतिविधियां तथा आंतरिक जांच शुरू की जा चुकी हैं. ALS पूर्ण होने पर ऑन बोर्ड कंप्यूटर स्वतः ही प्रथम चरण के प्रज्वलन का आदेश प्रदान करेगा.
The countdown for the mission has been 22 hours long. Precisely timed activities on the launch vehicle and satellite are carried out in this duration. The liquid propellants are serviced into the launch vehicle stages. Gas bottles on board the launch vehicle are charged.
And they are discussing about the mission. They are analyzing all the problems that they can have. As you can see, ISRO's scientists are working on their computers. They have also so basically they were talking about that they are going to check all the steps that they are going to make before the launching. So this is basically a step where they check that everything goes well and everything works well. So because as you know, it's a project which is funded by country, and as you can see, there are foreigners also sitting over there. And basically this is a great step from India, because this launch will carry some satellites that are also developed by students. So this is the best moment that a country can make. So yes, as you can see, the scientists are looking for the best time and the best space to launch the mission, and they have now, I think so, in a couple of few minutes they are going to also show the launch pad from some more views. And yes, I think so these are the four main operational chiefs that are working for the so we have Mulgu Satayarana over here. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name, but yes, congratulations, India. And yes, it's a launch. It's a good launch for your country. I hope everything's go well. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe us. And yes, congratulations to the entire team of ISRO. I hope this launch goes successful.
इस्तेमाल करते हुए उपग्रह को उद्दिष्ट कक्षा में स्थापित करता है। इसके अलावा इस मिशन में भी चतुर्थ चरण के मुख्य उद्देश्य यानी EOS-09 उपग्रह को उद्दिष्ट कक्षा में अंतक्षेपित करने के पश्चात OCT यानी ऑर्बिट चेंज थ्रस्टर्स की मदद से चतुर्थ चरण को निचली कक्षा में लाया जाएगा, जिससे इसकी कक्षीय उपस्थिति को कम करते हुए इसे पूरी तरह निष्क्रिय किया जाएगा। इतना ही नहीं, EOS-9 उपग्रह भी अतिरिक्त ईंधन रखा है, जिससे उपग्रह को अपने 5 साल के सेवा काल समाप्ति के बाद निचली कक्षा में लाकर निष्क्रिय किया जा सकता है। यह इसरो की समाज एवं विश्व की के लिए प्रतिबद्धता को दर्शाता है।
As we wait for the launch, let me describe the critical mission events that will take place in the launch. T0 marks the ignition of the core S139 based PS1 stage and liftoff takes place. Ground-lit strap-ons ignite 400 milliseconds later and air-lit strap-ons ignite 25 seconds into flight. The action time for strap-on motors is approximately 70 seconds, and ground-lit and air-lit strap-ons will separate from the ongoing launch vehicle in their respective timeline at altitude of 20 kilometers and 47 kilometers respectively. The first stage, PS1, separates 111 seconds into flight, and 200 milliseconds later, the second stage, PS2, ignites. The operation time for PS2 stage for present mission is 152.5 seconds, during which the launch vehicle reaches 232 kilometers altitude. As the dense atmosphere is crossed during PS2 regime, 152.5 seconds, during which the launch vehicle reaches 232 kilometers altitude. As the dense atmosphere is crossed during PS2 regime, two major flight events take place. The closed-loop guided correction with respect to final injection conditions of the satellite. Also, since there is no atmosphere around to cause heating, the payload fairing is jettisoned. The ignition of PS3 stage takes place about 1 second after the separation of PS2. This solid motor stage thrusts for 122 seconds before burnout. For another 105 seconds, the launch vehicle continues to coast with PS3. After the separation of PS3, the coast phase continues for 10.4 seconds. The relative velocity of 6 km per second acquired by the launch vehicle at PS3 burnout is sacrificed marginally during the coasting phase to gain remarkable 628 kilometers in altitude. The fourth stage, PS4, commences its operation 8 minutes 23 seconds into flight and continues to operate 8 minutes 29 seconds. The PS4 burns out at 16 minutes 52 seconds into flight. The launch vehicle then waits for the attainment of 534.86 kilometers altitude for the injection of EOS-09 satellite.
अब आप सभी दर्शकों के सामने प्रस्तुत है PSLV-C61 EOS-9 का कर्टेन रेजर वीडियो।
T-8 minutes.
In the ever-evolving landscape of Earth observation, satellites have emerged as silent sentinels orbiting high above, capturing critical data that shapes the way chapter with the launch of its Earth Observation Satellite, EOS-09, from the Satish Dhawan Space Center, SDS Ishar in Sriharikota. EOS-09 will work in tandem with its highly successful predecessor, EOS-04 satellite, to ensure seamless continuity of vital C-band microwave data, enhancing Earth observation capabilities. The spacecraft is configured using ISRO's RISAT-1 heritage bus, with most of the functional requirements of the synthetic aperture payload, SAR, and the bus platform systems have been derived from the earlier ISRO missions. The radar payload will be used to monitor vital applications such as agriculture, forestry, plantation, etc. in all weather conditions. It is also used for assessment of flood inundation as well as to detect very feeble surface water spread. The EOS-09 satellite is designed with an approximate mass of 1,700 kilograms and a mission lifespan of 5 years. The ever-dependable PSLV-C61 rocket XL version, celebrated as the workhorse of ISRO, is set to launch the EOS-09 satellite into a sun-synchronous polar orbit. With 63 successful missions, including Chandrayaan-1, Mangalyaan, Aditya L1, and multiple launches for global customers, PSLV stands as an outstanding symbol of Indian ingenuity and reliability. This mission also exemplifies ISRO's commitment to space sustainability. EOS-09 is designed as a debris-free mission, with provisions to deorbit the satellite at end of life. The PSLV's final stage will also be maneuvered to a lower orbit to ensure early atmospheric re-entry, reinforcing India's pledge to protect the space environment. As the nation turns its gaze to the stars once more, EOS-09 stands as a symbol of innovation, resilience, and global responsibility. It reflects India's enduring vision to harness space for the betterment of Earth and common man.
T-4 minutes.
We are 4 minutes away from the launch. The PSLV, or Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, is a 4-stage launch vehicle with alternate solid and liquid stages. The first stage, called PS1, is a solid motor based on hydroxy-terminated polybutadiene. 139 tons of propellant loading is the reason why it is called the S139 motor. The thrust of PS1 is supplemented by 6 strap-on motors, which are also HTPB based solid motors with 12.2 tons of propellant each. The second stage operates on hypergolic earth storable liquid propellant combination of UH-25 and N2O4. The legendary Vikas engine powers this stage. 41 tons is the propellant loading, stage diameter 2.8 meters and height 12.8 meters. The third stage is again a solid propellant stage carrying 7.65 tons propellant. It is 3.6 meters high. The PS4 is the fourth stage powered by twin pressure-fed liquid engines using monomethyl hydrazine and mixed oxides of nitrogen. It has 2.5 tons propellant loading. The PSLV has a height of 44.5 meters and is of 321 ton lift-off mass.
अब हम उड़ान से 2 मिनट 20 सेकंड की दूरी पर हैं। PSLV C61 EOS-9 मिशन का घटनाक्रम कुछ इस प्रकार होगा। सर्वप्रथम T-2.8 सेकंड पर RCT का प्रज्वलन शुरू होगा और ठीक T0 पर प्रथम चरण के कोर बूस्टर का प्रज्वलन शुरू होगा।
T-2
प्रथम चरण के
So now they are commenting that 2 minutes are left for the liftoff of this mission. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe us. And this will going to be a beautiful mission. As you can see, they have put the new view of the spacecraft. So go India.
प्रथम चरण T+69 सेकेंड्स पर ग्राउंड लीड स्ट्रैप-ऑन का कार्यकाल समाप्त होते ही यान से पृथक कर दिया जाएगा। इसके 25 सेकंड के पश्चात एयर लीड स्ट्रैप-ऑन को भी यान से पृथक कर दिया जाएगा और कुल 111 सेकंड पर प्रथम चरण को यान से वियोजित किया जाएगा। द्वितीय चरण का कार्यकाल इसके बाद प्रारंभ होगा और इस दौरान द्वितीय चरण के दौरान यान क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत होगा और इसी दौरान ही 115 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई पर ऊष्मा कवच को यान से पृथक किया जाएगा।
All stop sound.
अब हम उड़ान से 50 सेकंड की दूरी पर
All sequence of sound.
-45 seconds.
सभी दर्शक हमारे साथ बने रहिए।
PS2 VHPP open.
T-35 seconds.
-30 seconds.
Real-time programs activated.
-25 seconds.
So basically in English they are saying that 30 to 40 seconds are left for the launch. So yes, this is going to be a great day for India, especially for the nation. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe us to see the live view. And now as you can see, they have launched the mission.
+5 seconds.
Lift off normal.
Auto tracking.
PT driver tracking.
PSLV-C61 का सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन प्रथम प्रमोचन मंच से अपने उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर अपना सफर जारी कर चुका है।
Performance normal.
There's a magnificent liftoff. The morning sky made brighter by the PSLV. EOS-09 on its journey to
Air
orbit.
lift strap-ons ignited.
The vibration of the rocket launch is indeed to the
+40 seconds.
गर्जना करता हुआ PSLV-C61 आकाश में पूर्ण गर्जना से सबको अचंभित करता हुआ अपने उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर जा रहा है।
First stage performance normal.
प्रथम चरण का
+1
निष्पादन,
minute.
सभी तंत्र पूरी तरह सामान्य कार्य करते हुए।
Shar ground station currently tracking the launch vehicle and will continue to track till PS4 ignition around 500.
Ground lead strap-on separated. P2 change route SCBT2.
ग्राउंड लेड स्ट्रैप-ऑन को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है। इस घटनाक्रम में अगला एयर लेड स्ट्रैप-ऑन को पृथक किया जाना है।
The ground lit strap-ons have been separated from the ongoing launch
Air lead
vehicle.
strap-on separated.
And just now we have a confirmation that the air lit strap-ons have also been jettisoned. Trivandrum station joined for the tracking. Action time for PS1 is.
So as you can see here, the scientists of ISRO are really concentrated on the mission. They have a great focus. So now at the moment that some of the parts of the rocket are going to be separated from the main mission. As you can see, there's an animation of the craft on the screens of the scientists, and they're showing the real-time image.
नोदक पर आधारित L40 चरण है। इसमें लगे विकास इंजन की मदद से यह प्रणोद उत्पन्न कर रहा है। इसका कार्यकाल लगभग 152 सेकंड का होगा। पूरे सभी तंत्र सामान्य निष्पादन करते हुए और यान उद्दिष्ट कक्षा की ओर बढ़ रहा है।
The hydrate of
So now the PLF rockets have been separated from the main rocket, and there's another stage where some of the rockets are going to also they are also going to be separated.
ऊष्मा कवच को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है तथा यान अब क्लोज लूप गाइडेंस के अंतर्गत कार्य कर रहा है.
Current altitude is 168 kilometers. Closed loop guidance has been initiated and the payload fairing has been jettisoned.
इस यान के अनुवर्तन के लिए 3 ग्राउंड स्टेशंस हैं. शार स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशन, त्रिवेंद्रम तथा मॉरिशस स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशंस हम तक यान के आंकड़े उपलब्ध करा रहे हैं. वर्तमान में शार तथा त्रिवेंद्रम स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशंस इसे पूर्णतः ट्रैक कर रहे हैं.
+4 minutes.
We are 240 seconds into launch.
Normal.
द्वितीय चरण का निष्पादन पूरी तरह सामान्य. कुछ ही क्षणों में हम देखेंगे द्वितीय चरण का कार्यकाल समाप्त होते हुए तथा इसे यान से पृथक कर दिया जाएगा.
Second stage separated, third stage ignited.
जैसा कि अपेक्षित था द्वितीय चरण को यान से पृथक कर दिया गया है और उसके तुरंत बाद ही तृतीय चरण ठोस नोदक वाले तृतीय चरण का प्रज्वलन शुरू हो चुका है.
The third stage of PSLV has been ignited and it's performing normal. 120.
So as you can see, the second stage has been also successfully separated. So you have also heard some cheer ups in the meeting room where all the scientists and public is watching this event live. So yeah, it's a great moment for India, and as you can see on the screens, here we have some of our scientists from India, and they're also watching this event live. And here's our flight parameters graph. As you can see, the PS31 has been separated, and the next stage is going to be the PS41, and I think so it's going to be in couple of minutes. We are talking about 5 to 6 minutes that this model will also going to be separated from the main model. So stay tuned if you want to. So basically I'm translating this for people who are from other countries, so they can now you can see the cheering up of the public that they are watching there. So I'm translating this for people who are from foreign countries because the most of the talk is in Hindi, so that's why I'm translating that to real time for people who are watching this from other countries, from for example from Europe or England. And yes, it's a great day for India. Congratulations. And now we can see that there have been a small drop down of some time. So this graph is basically, as you can see, it's time versus the real altitude of the screens. And now I'm going to capture the real voice. So yes, these are the basic events that are going to cover in this flight. Some of them has been separated, and now upcoming are going to be separated.
अब तक हमने देखा प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन T0 पर शुरू हुआ था. उसके बाद 4 ग्राउंड लेड स्ट्रैप-ऑन का प्रज्वलन शुरू हुआ था और उसके बाद एयर लेड स्ट्रैप-ऑन को प्रज्वलित किया गया था और इसी क्रम पर ग्राउंड लेड स्ट्रैप-ऑन को यान से पृथक किया गया. फिर एयर लेड स्ट्रैप-ऑन को यान से पृथक किया गया.
The launch of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission had taken place at 5:59 hours IST from Sriharikota, the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The first and second stage have performed nominally. Ground stations were about to track them.
वर्तमान में मॉरिशस स्थित त्रिवेंद्रम स्थित ग्राउंड स्टेशन इसे ट्रैक कर रहा है।
So I hope everything is okay. Coming to something about, I'm going to comment about the ISRO's legacy. This mission reminds us how far ISRO has come from launching small rockets in 1960s to becoming a global player in space exploration. PSLV itself has launched satellites from over 30 countries, and if somebody doesn't know, this rocket is known as the workhorse of ISRO. It has now flown over 60 times and rarely fails, a reputation that few space agencies in the world can match. And it's a great success for India.
The outcome of the mission of PSLV-C61 EOS-09 will be communicated by ISRO through its social media channel in due course.
So now from the live, the agency has told us to wait for some further information. So for my audience, if you're watching from India or anywhere in the world, let us know in the chat what excites you most about space. Is it the rocket science behind, or the exploration? So if you have any questions related to this launch, you can ask us, and we are going to help you. We're going to help you to provide the information.
Very, hello, is it audible? Very good morning to all of you. Today we targeted the 101st launch from Sriharikota. The PSLV-C61 EOS-09 mission was targeted. The PSLV is a 4-stage vehicle. Up to the second stage, the performance was quite normal. Third stage motor started perfectly. But during the functioning of the third stage, we are seeing a observation and the mission could not be accomplished. After analysis, we shall come back. Thank you.
So I think so. Something has happened with the launch in the second stage, or I think so before the third stage. There are some graphs that haven't shown good result. So as you can see, all the scientists are not on their seats. I hope everything is okay. But looking more, when I watched the graphic, I was really sad because that's a sign that something haven't gone good. So we are going to wait 10 minutes more, and we are going to talk something about this mission. Basically, this mission was launched to take high quality images from the satellite, and it also carries some satellites from students from all over the world. So yes, ISRO has is showing that we have to wait for further informations. But looking to the statistics and the design or the screen that they have displayed about the mission, I think that the mission has failed. But we are going to see further information why this mission has been failed and what was the main cause. So we are going to wait about for the live stream that they are going to tell us more about the information. Thank you. I'm watching the people who are they're giving comments in the comment section. Yes, thank you, Life in Europe. Thanks for the best wishes. Yes, Taira Praveen, thank you for the subscribing, and we have more people over here. Imaginary EI. Yes, thank you, Imaginary EI. If you have any question, please tell us. So I hope the ISRO yes, guys, it's official that the mission has been has been it has been failed. Talking with the subscribers, thank you very much for all people who have subscribed. And if there are people watching from India, I hope. Yes, guys, it's official that. If you have any question related to this launch, you can ask me, and if there are foreign people who are watching from other countries, you can. So Taya Parveen is not confirmed yet because ISRO haven't shared the analysis. But yes, when I was watching the graph live, it displayed that in the before accomplishing the third stage of this mission, and between the second and third stage, something went wrong. I think that some models, I think it's my own analysis, I think that some model haven't been successfully um, successfully deployed. I think so, but it's my analysis. We are going to wait about what ISRO will say. Thanks to you, Thaira Parveen. So thank you very much, guys. Is there someone who is watching from India? Please comment us over here. It will be good for us to also take your questions and answer them. So I've seen the broad. There are more people who have joined us. I hope everything is okay. But yes, officially ISRO has launched. ISRO has told us that the mission hasn't gone successful, but we are going to wait. So tomorrow we are going to publish a video related to what really happened with this launch. If ISRO provides all the information on their website, we are going to do a small analysis. So this hello air sunlight, thanks. Yes, thank you very much. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe us. We are going to tomorrow we are going to upload a video in which we are going to talk about with my colleague. We are going to talk about what really happened with the this mission. But I think that when I was watching this broad live, and the second and third stage, between the second and third stage is something which went wrong. But it hasn't been confirmed from ISRO what really happened. But yes, I was watching that the operational the operational the operational flight manager told that something has gone wrong. So we are going to wait about the information, and tomorrow we are going to publish a video. Thank you very much. Yes, you can subscribe our channel, Air Sunlight. Yes, sure. Thank you very much. So me and my team are searching on internet what is the cause of the mission that it has been failed to comment you, but we are unable to provide you this information because there's some false information on internet that some of the model weren't worked or didn't work correctly, but we cannot share this information. But we are searching on the Twitter of ISRO now, and we are seeing that they haven't published any analysis, and we have also subscribed their website to see more what really happened with ISRO. So guys, I have been searching on YouTube also, but there are people who are emitting this live, but it's not live. ISRO has announced that the mission has been failed. We were covering the mainstream that ISRO was uploading on their website, but I hope that ISRO will going to provide us the analysis to do this tomorrow or on Monday. We are going to see what happens, because till yet the information is not clear what really happened in the last stage. Basically, it was not the second and third stage. It was the last stage where the mission was failed, and this mission was a really interesting mission because it was having some satellites developed from some students, to capture real-time images and to provide data for further analysis to develop more models for artificial intelligence. But yes, we have to maintain the patience. When the ISRO will going to provide us all the information, we are going to make a small analysis video on that information. But yes, ISRO has made this small this mission, but no problem. I hope ISRO will come back really soon with a great mission. So if there is anybody watching from India, I hope everything goes right in the next mission. So searching on internet, I've also found the upcoming missions that India is going to launch. The next mission is going to be Gaganyaan 2. It will going to be launched in this year, and the dates are not confirmed, but yes, they're going to launch. This mission will going to be launched in 2026. And yes, there are two other missions planned for 2026, lunar polar exploration missions, and the third one is going to be Gaganyaan 3. Sorry for the pronunciation if I am pronouncing these names wrong, and this mission is also programmed in 2026. And finally, we have in 2028 Chandrayaan-4 of the Gaganyaan program, serving as crucial precursor to the first crew mission. This mission will further validate the spacecraft system, focusing on the life support avionics and safety mechanism, ensuring the spacecraft readiness for human spaceflight is essential for the success of the mission. And this mission will include more extensive tests and evaluation. This mission is pivotal to India's goal of independently sending astronauts into space. Guys, if you haven't subscribed us, please subscribe us. It really helps up to grow and reach more people. And thank you very much all the people who have been watching this broad, and best wishes for India and ISRO. I hope ISRO comes with the next mission and have a great comeback. Yes, everybody's telling about the small mishap that ISRO has made, but we are going to wait until the analysis come, and we are going to make a video related to why this mission was failed. Okay, thank you very much, and have a nice day. So we have a question from our subscriber AR Sunlight. I am from Spain. Yes, we are a small team from Spain, and we cover space launches and space missions, and that's what this channel is about. So my team has been researching for the information, but sorry, we cannot provide information related to what was the cause that this mission has failed. But when we are going to have some information, we are going to make a video related to this launch. And yes, AR Satellite, no problem. If you have any question, you can ask us. And if not, we are going to leave this broad here, and we are going to come with another broad next missions that we are going to launch. We have a timeline and roadmap related to the next mission. My team is searching on that, and when we have something clear, we are going to provide that. The next mission that we are going to cover is tomorrow, May 19, 2025. It's a Falcon 9 Starlink 1215. It's a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. It's launch another batch of Starlink mini satellites, including 13 equipped for direct to cell phone service. Basically, this is a satellite that will going to provide broadband signals to cell phones services. And a little more than 8 minutes after liftoff, the first stage booster will target a landing on a drone ship positioned in the Atlantic Ocean. It's to the east of the Bahamas, and this is the mission that we are going to cover tomorrow. And we are also going to publish more information related to why this mission of ISRO has been failed. But no problem. Hope it goes well for India and ISRO. Best wishes. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.